are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
The country's premier esports organization, Mineski Philippines, officially unveiled the roster of tournaments and activities under its exclusive partnership with Riot Games Southeast Asia. Reuniting with its longtime partner, Globe, as well as enlisting Oppo as its official mobile phone company partner for gaming, Mineski seeks to build and sustain the momentum of the growing esports and gaming industry in the Philippines through Riot's biggest titles. Mineski will operate the official national tournaments through the Philippine Pro Gaming League. These tournaments will qualify the best teams to represent the country in Southeast Asian tournaments and, hopefully, the World Championship. Mineski holds the official licenses to hold esports tournaments for Valorant and League of Legends, Wild Rift. Tournaments for both games will be held throughout the year, featuring a format that would allow the best teams in the country to compete against top gamers in Southeast Asia, and possibly, the world. The tournaments will be done through the Philippine Pro Gaming League, co-presented by Globe. Moreover, with the adoption of a points system for Wild Rift, this will be the first time that a points system will be implemented for a mobile game. Dubbed the Wild Rift points system by Globe, this innovation will govern the total cash prize that the best performing teams in the national tournament will receive. The total prize pool amounts to 10 million, and the points will also determine how a team can further advance into the Philippine playoffs. Spectators and gamers alike can look forward to the preseason Wild Rift Icon Series on March 20th to 21, 2021. The first preseason tournament in the Philippines for Riot Games Mobile MOBA promises an exciting series of matches that pits 8 professional esports teams against each other. All updates for registrations and broadcasts will be posted on the official PPGL Facebook page. Mineski Philippines is a leader in the country's esports industry, with a slew of original esports leagues and platforms alongside nationwide tours and esports mall events organized for client brands. Mineski Philippines has pioneered every esports venture in the Philippines, from our pro team to events organizing and esports marketing. For more information, follow Mineski Philippines on Facebook.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.